To graph a linear equation, it is easiest to graph when you have two different forms, either standard form or slope-intercept. When the equation is not in either of those forms, put it into either standard or slope-intercept and then graph. Standard form is easy to graph because it isolates your x and your y quickly. It finds your intercepts very fast. So in order to find your x-intercept, you simply plug in 0 for y. So you get 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. And it's going to cancel that y out right away. So you have 2x equals 6, x will equal 3. So my x-intercept is 3, which means I start at my origin, I count over 3 across the x-axis, and I put a dot. Your y-intercept, you plug 0 in for x. So you get 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. So 3y equals 6. Y will equal 2. So you go up your y-axis 2. Place your dot. Then what you do is you play connect the dots and draw your line to connect. And always cap your line with arrows. So that is how to take standard form and create a line on a graph. The next would be to take a line in slope-intercept form and graph it. Slope-intercept form is very convenient because it gives you your y-intercept, so where the line crosses the y-axis, and it gives you your slope right away when it's in this form. So simply count up 6 on your y-axis and put your dot. Your slope is 2, which anytime you have a whole number, it's always over 1, so it's rise 2, run 1. Run 1. So rise 2, run right 1. So positive 2, positive 1, positive 2, positive 1. Down 2, left 1. So negative, negative. And then what you're going to do from there is you're going to graph your line. So take your line and graph. And then always cap that line with arrows. So in slope-intercept form, it's very easy because you're given your y-intercept, you're given your slope right away, and you can just graph those points and do rise over run.